Hi guys, in today's video I want to talk about my thoughts on the CND Sticky base coat and why I don't like it. You already saw the title. There's no secret here. It's not that I don't like it, it's why I don't use it. And before I do that, I want to tell you that I think CND is a very good brand. I think they're reputable. So whatever I'm going to say in this video is about this specific base coat. It's nothing to do with the brand as a whole. Let's get into it. This base coat has a blue tint on it. Okay, as you can see, well, it's kind of green, but whatever. And in my opinion, it translates to the nail. Right here, my nails are a little bit yellow, so I don't know if you can tell, but I'm wearing the base coat in these two and not in these two, and I see the nail darker. Now, I'm in very bright lighting here when I film. I have it here in these two nails as well, so it might not show, but I'm gonna insert some clips here of how it looked like when I tested it originally on my Instagram. And you guys are gonna see how the tint is very apparent on the nail, and also when I put a sheer pink on top of it, it actually darkened the color, okay? I have an issue with that because if you're trying to find a base coat for, to be your base coat, you don't wanna have to have a bunch of base coats. This will be great for dark colors, no problem there whatsoever. But the second you wanna wear it just by itself, or with a sheer color on top, you're gonna have a problem. So I'm not trying to get you guys to buy different base coats for different situations. I want you guys to spend money on one base coat. And because of that reason, this is not the one that I can recommend because you would need two. I really find that if you were to wear sheer colors on top of this, it would change the color. Now, I don't understand why this base coat does that because there are other base coats on the market and I just grabbed this one for no reason whatsoever. This is the one that I have handy. This is actually discontinued, so I'm not trying to put a brand against the other. This is just an example, okay? This base coat has a blue tint on it, but it doesn't translate to the nail. So yeah, it's just not because it's green that it should translate to the nail, because this one's blue and it doesn't do that. Now, when I first shared this on my Instagram, a couple of people reported to me that they experienced staining. Now, I cannot back that up, okay? I haven't experienced staining with this base coat because I didn't try it long enough. The second that I saw that my nails looked blue, I immediately just stopped using it. I shared my, what I found with you guys, and that was the end of it. If you can notice, the bottle is entirely full. I bought this myself. And then other base coats that I've tried, you're gonna see that the whole bottle's used up because before I go and talk to you guys about it, I used the whole thing just to make sure. This one I couldn't get myself to just use it. I just couldn't. And so I cannot honestly back up the staining claims. Staining can come from many places, and unless someone is testing something with a very controlled environment and they might think it's the base coat, but it's not. But at the same time it could have been. I just don't know. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.